If you've been looking for a legit way to use CapCut Pro features completely free in 2025, watch this tutorial step by step without skipping a second, because if you miss any part, it won't work. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to unlock and use all the CapCut Pro tools without paying for a subscription. And this method works forever. First, head over to CapCut's official website. This part is very important. Make sure you're downloading from the official site to avoid fake or unsafe versions. Once there, download CapCut to your computer. After the file has finished downloading, open it and start the installation process. It's quick and straightforward. Once installed, open CapCut, but here's a key step: do not log in. Instead, click on the Settings icon and go into Settings. In the default file path section, change it to a location where you can easily access saved projects. For this tutorial, I'm creating a folder on my desktop called CapCut Drafts. Now go back into CapCut, create a new project, and import the clips you want to use. For this demonstration, I'll import some sample videos. Next, let's start adding pro features. These are normally paid tools, but we're going to use them for free. I'll add some pro stickers, then go into Effects and pick a pro effect. Under Transitions, I'll choose a pro transition. And finally, in Animations, I'll apply a pro animation to my last clip. You can add as many pro features as you like. But before I show you the secret to unlocking all these pro features for free, let me quickly introduce you to something that can save you just as much time and money. This is Toolify.ai, the largest free AI tool directory online. With over 26,000 tools in every category you can imagine. It's 100% free, no login required, and updated daily so you're always discovering the newest AI tools. The latest update even shows you exactly how many free trial uses each tool has before you click, so you don't waste time on tools that lock everything behind a paywall. If you want to explore the AI world without spending a cent, check out Toolify free AI tools using the link below in the description. Back to the tutorial. Now, don't try exporting the video at this point. It won't allow it because it contains pro features. This is where the real trick comes in. Select all your clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This will combine everything into a single media file. Then right-click again on the compound clip and select Pre-process Compound Clip. CapCut will now start rendering the video, just wait for it to reach 100%. Once it's done, navigate to the folder you set earlier for saved drafts. Open it, then go to Resources, Combination, and there's your fully processed video. I'll open it to check, and as you can see, all the CapCut Pro features are included, completely free, with no watermark. And that's it. This is how you can use CapCut Pro for free forever in 2025, no subscription, no cracked software, just this simple method. To recap, open CapCut without logging in, set your file path, create your project, add all the pro features you want, make a compound clip, pre-process it, and grab the finished file from your drafts folder. Follow every step exactly, and you'll be able to enjoy all the pro tools without paying a cent. Don't forget to take a minute to explore Toolify.ai for yourself. Try searching for tools in your niche and see how many free trials you can unlock today. You might just find your next favorite AI tool. If this helped you unlock CapCut Pro for free, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful 2025 editing tricks just like this.